Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We taking out the Maxx. Went and did a little crawling up the hill. Still at the one-to-one park here. And this is, I had a little spot that came down, and I don't know, that looked like a fun little spot to jump this thing off of, or run into it, or do whatever. So I had just rebuilt it, put all brand new bearings in this thing. So we want to take it out for a little spin. A little rocky, but he's got so much power. Yeah, this is just 3S, guys. It's 4S capable, easy. It's actually 8S capable, or 6S capable, I'm sorry. It's got the Max 8 in it. Can't see it. There it is. Doesn't turn worth a crap in the dirt, but she is a fun truck. Max, man, one of those trucks to where they just take abuse. Oh, that was a big rock. That dang rock right there wasn't that big, but big enough. Send it in the air. Try not to destroy it. I just rebuilt it, so I don't know what's on the other side of this, so let's see. Oh, it must be a rock. Oh yeah, that wasn't bright. Ran right smack dab into that bad boy. Guess we should stand on top of the hill. Okay, I think I knocked out a light doing that in the front. It's alright. Shouldn't have lights on bashers anyways, guys. It's kind of a waste of money to me. They look cool, but ooh, yeah. Well, that's where I'm going. Yeah. Oh. Don't want to blow up my tires. Try to make them last. What do you guys think? Should I put the 10 or not 10 millimeter? I got 10 millimeter hexes on it to make it a little wider. But I do have the wide kit. I just haven't put it on yet because I was kind of waiting for something to break. Knock on wood. And I haven't had to put them on yet, so. This is a good little spot right here. Get rid of these big ass rocks. Here comes somebody. Watch out for them rocks, man. I don't know why I keep going right to them. Alright guys, that was a good little bass session, I think. Just testing her out. She's running awesome. She's a little dirty now. Just take the air hose to it when I get back to the house, clean it off. Thing's pretty much stock. I do have a metal pin spur gear in there now. Max 8 ESC, because of course the Traxxas one burnt up and they wanted all sorts of money to do an exchange, and I wasn't going to do that to get another crappy crappy ESC. So yeah, that was just a 5200 3S. Went by pretty quick because I used it last night to test it, so it wasn't fully charged, but good enough to get out here and bash. Yeah, so, and then there's I use the SpeedTek straps. Things are awesome, I think. You do have to glue them down though. They have sticky on the bottom, but they don't stick that long. So if you the battery's super hot. If you shoe glue them down, they stay pretty good. So all right guys, get out of this heat, go home, relax. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.